Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Maths lecture. Yes, we are going to continue with chapter number 5, multiplication. Okay. Yes. Very good afternoon to you. No one will raise the hand. Yes. Let me check one's name. Bhavika. Who is this Bhavika? Write down your full name, dear. You should write down your full name, standard, and division when you enter the meeting, not in chat box. Huh? Not in chat box when you enter the meeting. Many of them have not written their standard and division. Why? I don't understand. See, some of the students, they have not written their standard and division. Mention your standard and division. It will be better for teacher to identify you. Some of them are writing only names. You should write your full name, your name, surname, standard, division. See, many of them are there. Who is this Rakesh? Don't write your parents' name also. Write your name. If you will enter with your parents' name, how teacher will come to know, beta? Your full name, your standard, and division you should write down. Many of them have written, but still some students are there, those who have not written their standard and division. Yes, some students are like this, those who have written only their names, not full name. Then some of the students, they have entered in the meeting with the parents' name. Some of the students are like this, those who have entered in the meeting with their elder brother or elder sister's name. When you enter the meeting, you should check with which name you are entering. Yes, there you should do the changes. Why all are raising hand? Why this all students are raising hand? What I had said, you will not raise your hand. Then why you all are raising your hand? Tarun, I think so. Tarun can't hear properly. Whenever teacher is saying not to raise hand, he is the first child who raises hand. Okay, what I have said. Why you all Soham Kalamkar? I think so. You are very what not listening properly. Soham Kalamkar and Arnavi Jadhav. They are having some problem. Yes. Okay. Come on. So we'll start with our chapter number 5, multiplication. Yesterday we had started with word problems, correct? Today again we are going to continue with the word problem. Sarvesh, no need of writing your GR number or anything here in the chat box. What I had said, when you enter the meeting, at that time they ask you the name. There you have to change the name. Now if you are writing it in the chat box, it is of no use. Understood, everyone? Why raising hand? I don't understand. All are raising hand. What if you have any of the doubts? Instead of raising hand, you have to write down in the chat box. Why all are raising hands? See this, Tanmay, why you are raising your hand? I am saying, then also they are raising. Soham Kalamkar is having some problem, I think so. Yes, Soham is having some problem. I want to meet your parents. Soham, pass on your this my message to your parents that teacher wants to meet them. Understood? Pass on this message. Sharing my screen, all are going to pay attention properly. Teacher has told you that when you enter the meeting, you have to raise the hand. Like these instructions you all have got or what? Those who are entering, they are raising the hand. Why it is like this, I don't understand. Come on. I'm sharing my screen. All are going to pay attention properly. Having any doubt, you will ask me the question. No one will write anything in the chat box until and unless I ask you, or else if you have a doubt. Come on. So let us start. Okay. So welcome my dear students. Welcome to maths lecture. In maths, we are learning chapter number 5, that is multiplication. Now in this chapter, we are learning what? We are learning word problems. Okay. So let us start. Yesterday we have seen word problems from 21. Correct? From workbook we have solved the word problem. We have started with 21 and we have finished till 26. Yes. Today we will start from 27. Okay. Soham, Soham, can you hear me? Yes. Or else I will remove you from this meeting. Huh? I will not allow you to enter in this meeting. Keep this thing in the mind very well. Again and again he is raising hand. Okay, come on. So our first word problem of today's lecture. Okay, so the cost of one apple is rupees 9. How much money will be needed to buy 2 apples each for 4 friends? Again, the cost of one apple is rupees 9. How much money will be needed to buy 2 apples each for 4 friends? Okay, now here you can see 3 numbers are there here, 9, then 2, then 4. Correct? Okay, so first let us understand the question, that the cost of the apple, the price of the apple is how much? Rupees 9. Now we have to buy how many apples? 2 apples. So what will be the cost of 2 apples? How many friends are there? 4 friends are there. We have to buy 2 apples each for 4 friends. Each one will get 2 apples. Correct? So let us start. First we will write down the given. Yes. So number of friends, 4. Then number of apples to each friend, that is 2. Correct? Then total number of apples needed is total how many apples we want. First we will find out total how many apples we want, and then we will find out the cost of all apples. Correct? Okay. So total number of apples needed is 4 multiplied by 2. 4 friends are there. Each friend is going to get 2 apples. So total how many apples we want? We want 8 apples. Now let us find out. Here we will arrange vertically. 4 multiplied by 2, answer is 8. Now let us find out the total cost of 8 apples. So cost of 1 apple is rupees 9. Therefore, the total cost of 8 apples is 8 multiplied by 9. So let us multiply 8 by 9. Here we have written 9 multiplied by 8. So we have to say 9 table till 8 or 8 table till 9. So what is the answer? Answer is 72. Correct? Yes. Now last is the statement which we have to write down. Thus, rupees 72 is needed to buy 2 apples for each of the 4 friends. Last sentence, we have to see the last sentence and we have to frame the statement. Correct? Yes. Let us repeat this question again. Let us repeat this question again. They had given a cost of 1 apple, that is rupees 9. Total number of friends. Total how many friends are there? 4 friends are there. Correct? Now each friend will get 2 apples. So first we have to find out total how many apples all the 4 friends will need, and then we will find out the total cost of apple. Correct? So first we will find out how many apples each friend will need. So first we will write number of friends. How many friends are there? 4 friends are there. Then number of apples with each friend. Sorry. Number of apples to each friends. How many apples each friend will get? So 2. So first let us find out total number of apples. So total number of apples needed is 4 multiplied by 2. Answer is 8. Correct? 4 multiplied by 2. Answer is 8. Okay. Now we have got total number of apples. Now let us find out what will be the cost of 8 apples. Here they had given the cost of one apple is 9. If we have to take 8 apples, how much money we have to pay to the shopkeeper, correct? So here I will write down. So the cost of one apple is 9. Total cost is of 8 apples is equal to 8 multiplied by 9, that is rupees 72. Here we will multiply, we will arrange vertically and we will multiply 9 multiplied by 8, answer is 72. What we are going to write in the statement? Thus, rupees 72 is needed to buy 2 apples for each of the 4 friends. Or else, in short, you can write thus rupees 72 is needed to purchase the apples. Okay, you can write in short like this also. Come, next one. Yes, complete the table. Now the table they had given, see, in the form of objects. These are the objects. How to write it in addition, how to write how many times, then how to write it in multiplication, and what are the total number of objects. Okay. So see, now here you can see 2 boxes are there. In one box, how many dots are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In one box, 10 dots are there, correct? In one box, 10 dots are there. How many boxes are there? 2 boxes are there. This means what? 10 how many times? 10 2 times, correct? So whenever we are writing it in addition, how we are going to write? We are going to write 10 2 times. So we will write 10 plus 10. 10 we will take 2 times. Whenever we are writing it in addition, we will write 10 plus 10. How many times here 10 is taken? 2 times, correct? 1 and 2. So how we are going to write 10 plus 10. Now how many times? So 10 we are taking 10 how many times? So in words we will write 10 2 times, correct? In multiplication, how we will write? 2 multiplied by 10. 2 times we are taking 10, so 2 multiplied by 10. Now what is the total number of object? 2 multiplied by 10. 2 tens is how much? Answer is 20. Correct? Okay, now let us see the next one. Next example. Now here see, you can see matchstick. Okay. You can see your matchstick, correct? Now this is the one bunch, second and third bunch. In one bunch, how many matchsticks are there? 10 matchsticks are there. In one bunch, 10 matchsticks are there. Total how many bunches are there? 1, 2, and 3. Total how many bunches are there? 1, 2, and 3. This means what? That 10 we are taking 3 times. This means what? 10 we are taking 3 times. So how we are write it in addition? 10 plus 10 plus 10. How we are going to write it in addition? 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 here it is shown 10 3 times. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. How to write it in words? How many times means what? How to write it in words? So we will write 10 3 times. 3 times we will write in spelling. Correct? 10 3 times. Now how to write it in multiplication? So 3 multiplied by 10. Correct? 10 we are taking 3 times. So 3 multiplied by 10. What is the total number of objects? Total number? So 3 10 times means 30. Correct? So answer is 30. Again, here we are taking 10 three times. So in addition, we are writing 10 plus 10 plus 10. Correct? How to write it in words? So 10, we are writing 10 three times. Then in multiplication, how we are going to write in multiplication? 1 minute. Hmm. So 3 multiplied by 10. Correct? Now what is the total? Total number. What is the answer? Answer is 30. What is the answer? Answer is 30. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. Next example. Yes. Now next example is, you can see two boxes are there, and in that two boxes how many flowers are there? Two flowers are there. Correct? This means what? 2 we are taking how many times? 2 we are taking 2 times. So when we are writing it in addition, how many times we will write 2? We will write 2 times. So 2 plus 2. Correct? 2 plus 2. How to write it in words? So we will write 2 times. We will write 2 times. And how to write it in multiplication? So 2 multiplied by 2. Correct? 2 multiplied by 2. And what is the total number of objects? 2 multiplied by 2. What is the answer? Answer is 20. What is the answer? Answer is 20. Correct? Yes. 1 minute later. Kushal Devasi has started writing something else in the chat box, and why I don't know. Kushal Devasi, Lalit Bhandari, very good. Very nice. Yes. I'm removing screenshot and I'm going to show this to your parents, that what the children are doing when the lecture is going on. Okay. Good. Very good. Kushal and Lalit, very nice. Very good. One minute. Kushal and Lalit, instead of attending lecture, you all are busy in writing all these things in the chat box. It will be better than I should remove you from this meeting. No need of attending the lecture if you want to do all these things then. Yesterday I gave warning, then also same thing he is repeating today. Kushal. Okay, come on. Look at the picture given below and prepare a word problem on multiplication. Okay. Here you can see a picture. By using this picture, we have to frame a word problem. Means we have to frame a question. Okay. Okay. So here you can see a sugar cane. Correct. Now in one bunch, in one bundle, there are 10 sugar canes. Correct. Yes. Total how many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how we will frame a question? There are 4 bundles of sugar cane. Each bundle has 10 sugar canes. Find the total number of sugar canes. Correct? Now one bundle has 10 sugar canes. And total how many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how we will frame a question? That there are 4 bundles of sugar cane. Each bundle has 10 sugar canes. Find the total number of sugar cane. Okay, so how we have framed the question. You can frame any way, that in one group or in one box there are so many things. So how find the total number of things in 4 boxes or 5 boxes. Like this way you have to frame the question. Okay. Now let us see next one. Next question. From the picture given, make an example of multiplication and solve it. Now here in this picture, you can see flowers, correct? In one row, how many flowers are there? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In one row, 6 flowers are there. And total, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 rows are there, correct? So we have to frame a question and then we have to solve it. So there are 6 flowers in each row. How many flowers will be there in 7 rows? There are 6 flowers in each row. Okay, here some mistake is there. There are 6 flowers in each row. Yeah, this should not be there. In each flower should not be there. Okay, wait. Okay. In each flower, this should not be there. So there are 6 flowers in each row. How many flowers will be there in 7 rows? Correct? So 6. What is 6? Flowers in one row. Then multiplied by 7. What is 7? Number of rows. So we will say 6 table till 7. So 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. So 42 is what? Total number of flowers in 7 rows. Okay. Total number of flowers in 7 rows. 42. 42 is the correct answer. Okay, now let us go for the next one. Okay, let us read the question. Okay. So first let us read the question. On his birthday, Chintu bought 6 pens at rupees 5 per pen. Per means what? 1. The cost of 1 pen is 5. How many pens Chintu has brought? 6 pens. How much do he pay the shopkeeper for them? Okay, so total how much rupees he has to pay to the shopkeeper. So first what we are writing? What is given to us. Now what is given to us? Cost of 1 pen, that is rupees 5, and total number of pens, correct? Yes, so we will write down in the given in the solution. Cost of pen rupees 5 and number of pens is rupees 6. Now we have to find out total amount. So 5 multiplied by 6, we have to say 5 times table till 6. So 5 6 is 30. 30 is correct answer. See here, I have arranged vertically. Yes, and my box has moved. This box, it should be here. It has came here. Okay, by mistakenly. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is 30. Now last sentence. Kushal, what problem do you have? What problem do you have? I am teaching here, question is here, explanation is here. Why you want page number? And he is writing again and again. Teacher page number, teacher page number, teacher page number. What is this, Kushal? So now let us frame a sentence statement. How much do he pay the shopkeeper for them? So what sentence? This is the question and we have to frame a statement. So Chintu must pay rupees 30 all together. Correct? What we got the answer? Answer is rupees 30. Na? Answer is 30. So statement is So Chintu must pay rupees 30 all together. Understood everyone? Yes. Let us move to the next one. Second one. Let us read the question. How many trees in 5 rows if there are 8 trees in one row? Okay. Total number of rows 5. Total number of trees 8. Correct. So let us write down number of rows 5. Number of trees 8. Now we have to find out total number of trees. So 5 multiplied by 8. 5 8s is how much? 5 8s are 40. Here again I have got a problem. Your answer should be written here. It should be like this. Actually, it has moved. 5 multiplied by 8. Answer is 40. Correct? One below the another. And it should be like this. So because of this setting, there was a problem. It has moved. 5 is in one place, 8 is in one place, and the answer is in one place. Okay, now what is our answer? Our answer is 40. So now let us write down the statement. How to write down the statement? How many trees in 5 rows? So we will frame an answer for that. Therefore, there are 40 trees in 5 rows. Correct? Therefore, there are 40 trees in 5 rows. See, you all are giving me final answer. It is good. Very good. Very nice. You should know the answer. But you should know to frame the sentences also. What you should write in given. Here, what we should write in given. What you will write. What you have to find out. And what you will write in statement. Correct? These all things you have to understand and you should be able to write down. Only giving the answer 40 is not enough. You should able to know how to write this, how to write in given, how to make a statement. You should be able to answer this also instead of giving only and final answers. That's why I am repeating this again and again. Come on, moving on to the next one. Yes. Okay. If 9 laddus can be put in one box, how many can be put in 7 such boxes? Okay. So first read, then understand. Correct? Total number of laddus. How many laddus are there? 9 laddus are there. Total number of boxes 7. Correct? Total number of laddus 9. Total number of boxes is 7. Now, what we have to find out how many laddus will be there in that boxes. So, number of laddus 9, number of boxes 7. So, total number of laddus is equal to 9 multiplied by 7. Again, here I had a setting problem. It should not be like this. It should be like this, one below another. 1 minute. Is 9 multiplied by 7, answer is 63. Correct? Yes. You should arrange vertically one below the other and you should write it properly. This is the wrong way. If you are writing 9 in one side, 7 in one side, and answer in one side, it will be wrong. Okay. So total number of laddus is equal to 9 multiplied by 7, that is 63. Now we have to frame the sentence. So how many can be put in 7 such boxes? So thus 63 laddus can be kept in 7 boxes. Correct? Read the question and then you have to frame the answer. Okay? Yes. Let us move to the next question. Yes. Come. 7 days in 1 week. Okay. Now we all know how many days are there in 1 week. 7 days are there. Correct. So how many days in 4 weeks? In total 4 weeks, how many days are there? We have to find out. Now what is given here? Number of days. How many days are there? 7. Then number of weeks, how many are there? 4. Correct? So let us write down number of days in a week. It is 7. Number of weeks, it is 4. Then what we have to find out? Total number of days, that is 7 multiplied by 4, answer is 28. Correct? Again here, setting problem. All have moved from in different places. Correct? Yes. Great. So let me write down. So how I will write? 7 multiplied by 4, answer is 28. Correct? Yes. Now as we got the answer, let us frame the sentence. How many days in 4 weeks? So there are 28 days in 4 weeks. Correct? Understood? Understanding how to find out? First read the question, understand the question, find out what is given. Then first we have to write down the given. Yes. Then first we have to write down the given. Then we have to do the multiplication, find out the answer. And the last is what? We have to write down the statement. Correct? We have to write down the statement. Okay. So I hope you all must have understood how to solve the word problem, which is very easy. Easy or hard? Yes. Anyone is having any of the doubt relating to this word problems? Oh, super easy. Oh my God. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now I'm coming back to you all. Yes. No doubt. Very good. So thank you, my dear, attending the lecture. Still, we have more time. So I'm coming back to you all. Yes. I'm giving you one question and you're going to tell me what given and all. Okay. I'm giving you one question and you're going to tell me what is given. Okay. Wait. 1 minute. So the question is, one minute. Okay. Okay, so let us see the question. 8 tiles in one row. How many in 3 rows? Come on, who will tell me what is given in this? Okay, I know my handwriting is very bad. I hope so you must have understood what I have written. I am reading again. 8 tiles in one row. How many in 3 rows? Now what I said, I don't want final answer. Okay, what I said, I don't want final answer. I want what you are going to write in given. In given what you are going. I don't want any number. Huh? What you are going to write in given. Okay, Anjali, very good. Alia, very good. Anyone else? I don't want answer. What I am asking, can you hear? Am I audible to everyone? Kushal is having some problem. Yes, what you are going to write in the given? 8 tiles in one row. How many in 3 rows? Come on. I want what you are going to write it in the given. Come on. Who will answer me? Who is going to answer me? Given. What only 8 you will write in given? Manasvi, very good. Yes, number of rows is 3. One more. Two things we write in the given. Okay. Now one I got number of rows is 3. What is next? Number of tiles 8. Very good, Mrunal. Okay, we got number of tiles 8, number of rows 3. After that, what we have to write? After that, we write what we have to find out. Correct? What we are going to find out? Total number of tiles. No, Anjali, not addition here. Total number of tiles is equal to 8 multiplied by 3. We are going to arrange it vertically. 8 multiplied by 3. Now tell me what is the answer. 8 multiplied by 3. What is the answer? Yes, very good. Those who are giving me answer, very good. If anyone will give wrong, then I will say tell your name. Okay. Yes. Kavya, what is your answer? Answer is wrong. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 12. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. Correct answer is 24. Okay. So we got the answer now. Now tell me what you are going to write in the statement. Tell me the statement. Come on. Full statement you will tell me. Last one. Yes, I don't want answer now. I want the statement. What you're going to write in the statement. Come on fast. Statement I want. No, I'm not asking method. I want statement. What you're going to write in the statement. Yes, very good. Correct. Mrunal, she has tried. Therefore, 24 tiles in 3 rows. Correct. Yes, very good. No, Bhavika, what you have written? Yes, Dipanshu, now I gave the same answer. Statement. Alia, I want statement. Yes, Kavya, very good. There are 24 tiles in 3 rows. Chanchal, why 3 tiles? Yes, so what we are going to write in the statement? Total 24 tiles in 3 rows. This will be our statement. Total 24 tiles in 3 rows. Okay, understood all of you? Yes, I know. See, why teacher is asking you to do all these things? Na? Because you should be able to frame what is given. You should be able to frame it and write it down. What is given, how to frame a statement, which is very important. I know. See, if you will learn the tables, you will get the correct answer. If you will learn the tables, you will get the correct answer. But you should be able to frame the statement, frame what you have to write down in the given. This you should be able to know. That's why teacher is telling you to do this. Okay. Yes. So you all understood. Okay, so today, how many sums? Yesterday and today, whatever word problems teacher has explained you. Yes, Arya, very good. So whatever sums, word problem sums teacher has explained you, today you're going to practice it again. Okay, and daily homework of tables, which you're going to learn daily, and you are going to move forward daily. Daily, you're going to learn new table, next table. Okay. Yes, and whatever teacher is teaching, very good. Whatever teacher is teaching, you're going to practice these sums. Now, word problems, all word problems from workbook we have finished. So, you're going to practice it again and again daily. Understood? Yes. So, our time is up. Okay. So, bye bye and take care and practice more and more sums. Yes. Yes.